Hey guys, it is Coach Mo, Monique, whatever you know me as, and I am here today back with another video to give you some step-by-step tips to get you on the road to success. If you don't know me, I am an entrepreneur, a mom. I've been online for years now. I've been online since I believe 2009, 2010. I've been dabbling in a bunch of everything. I've had some success and I've also had some downfalls. But the company that I'm currently with, I definitely recommend for beginners or people that were just, starting out. Um, you want to find a company that is trustworthy and something that has a proven system that you can easily duplicate. So to start off um, with my tips for the road to success, I just want to say consistency is key. Consistency is key in whatever you're doing, whether that be growing your hair, going to the gym, whatever your goal is, consistency is key to seeing results. And in order for you to be consistent, you have to be committed. Commitment means to do what you said you were going to do, even after the fact, even when you don't feel like it, when you're not getting the results that you would like, still doing what you said you were going to do. Those are very important aspects to success. And that's just something I just wanted to mention before I start my tips. Um, so, yeah, to start off with my tips here today, I have number one, get all in. And that can be in this business and any business. If there's a top level, work your way to getting to that top level. The average person is not. And there are going to be results that will totally benefit you in getting all in and getting all the information that you need. Our top level in this company, Power Lead System, which is the system that I just showed you, and it is our most popular and our most effective business right now. People are seeing results and turning this into their full-time income every freaking day, and it's one of the most easy turnkey systems I've ever encountered. But yeah, so our highest level is the Platinum, which is a one-time payment of $497. Other than that, we have lower levels, which I mentioned in my last video. If you haven't seen it, check it out. Second tip is get traffic. You need to get traffic to whatever you're doing online. Or even if you have a storefront, you need traffic. You need people, eyeballs, you need people to see it. That will raise your percentage of sales or your percentage of people wanting your product or seeing it. So if you get 100 people, you have the likelihood of maybe one or two. When you increase that amount of people, what do you think is going to happen? The amount of people that decide to move forward are going to increase. If you move to 1,000, it could change up to 50. You never know. But getting eyeballs on it is the key. I used to hear this tip all the time and didn't believe it. Number three, follow up. So there are people that may not jump on right away, and you may need to, give them some time to warm them up, give them time. And then number four, study. You have tons of training in the back office of this program. Tons. I don't want to hear anybody asking me about any type of training because if you have not checked out this training, you are not even being a self-starter because this thing is loaded with content. And then five, rinse and repeat. So it's that simple. That simple. And I promise you, it's that simple. The road to success is nothing but strategy and initiative combined with a business. Once you create the strategy, these steps, push the initiative to want to do it, you are going to be on the road to success. And then lastly, join with me. You are going to get access to my 100% free Facebook group with over 1,000 members. There are so many people having amazing results. You get to have access to those people. You get to have a support system there all day, 24/7, people in different time zones to help you along the way, including myself. You have the one-on-one setup, which is $50. If you don't feel like setting up your sales funnel, if you just want to just jump right in, I will set everything up for you for $50. Availability, I'm always available. I'm always here to give you support, mentorship, my own personal training. And then lastly, you get all my tips and sources. I tell you where I get my quality traffic, my top tier traffic, and many more things that will come with being on my team. So check out profitwithmo.com and I will plug you in to this amazing system to your path to the road of success. So thank you so much for watching and you guys have a good day.